Dear children, welcome to the math class. Now we'll discuss about LCM, least common multiple. So first you see these two multiples of 6 and 3. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and 36. And multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. So children, here you mark which are common first. The common multiples are 6, then 12, then 18. Okay, among 3 multiples, which one is least? 6 is least. Okay, so 6 is the LCM of 3 and 6. Understood? Children, there are mainly 3 methods are there to find out LCM. First one is multiples method. Second one is division method. Third one is factorization method. Okay. So first we discuss about method 1, that is multiples method. In this method, children, first we find out all the multiples of the given number. At least we find out 5 or 6 multiples. If we not find the least common multiple, then we continue next 5 or 6 multiples. Children, here you see the example. Multiples of 8 and 10. Here first we find out 5 to 6 multiples, and here also we find out 3 to 4 multiples. If we get the least multiple, then we stop to find out the multiples, because we get our LCM. Okay, so here 40 is the answer. Then comes to method 2, that is division method. By division we find out the LCM. Already you know about this method in your previous classes. Let's just remind LCM of 8 and 10. Children, first you write, step by step we follow. Divide the numbers by a prime number, that is 2. Step 2. If a number cannot be divided by the chosen prime number, bring it down and divide separately, like this. Then step 3. Continue till the numbers have 1 as their quotient. Last we get what? 1. Then step 4. Multiply all the divisors together to get the LCM. So here we multiply 222 multiply 5. That is 40. Okay. Then comes to method 3, that is prime factorization method. This is also known as, children, tree method, because tree has branches. Here branch factors are we find. So it is known as tree method. Step 1. Find any 2 factors individually for the given numbers. Step 2. Again find the factors for those numbers. Step 3. Continue to find factors until all are prime numbers. At last we get what? 2. 2 is a prime number. Step 4. Group the common factors of the 2 numbers. Step 5. Take every common factor and uncommon factor and multiply to get the LCM. So 8 and 10, the multiples are 2, 2, 2, 222, and for 10, 2 and 5. So here least common multiple is 2. So answer will be what? Here you see 2 multiply 2, 2, 222 multiply 5. Okay, answer will be 40, because here we multiply all the divisor part. Okay. Then my practice time 3 is about all the methods. Just read it out. Here just follow these 3 methods: multiple method, division method and prime factorization method. One number you see children, multiples method is given, you follow the example, then do. 2 number is division method, you follow division method, and 3 number is factorization method. Okay, in 1 number children you do all the bits, and 2 number you do at least 6 bits. Okay, 3 number also you do at least 6 bits. Okay, so my practice time 3 is your homework. You completed in your copy. Okay children, thank you.